This is our latest drone. We call it Fairy, and the camera resolution is 1080p with 18 minutes flying time. And also this one is very convenient to use because it's foldable and it's easy to carry and very portable. It's just a pocket size. And the flight distance is about 20 meters height, 100 meters far. And the retail price is about $169, and we will do a crowdfunding in about May, which we will have a best offer at $99. Like I mentioned, the 1080p camera actually is adjustable with a 2-axis gimbal. So you can adjust it like this and use the app to control. Also, there's a TF card slot, support up to 64 gig. So you can very easy to access the video and the footage that you took. Also that it comes with optical sensor here, so it can position itself very stably. So like I mentioned, we have demo footage on the TV, so you can check the resolution and the stability as well. And then, of course, in the meantime, I would like to introduce the other drone, which is this one with a 720p camera, and also with a G sensor remote control. So you can use body motion to control this drone, and it's very fun to use. So this drone, we call it a WoW drone. So we will retail this at about $89, and we will launch in about August this year.